on a one-way right now. On 30 going west. You're on 30. Driving the YMCA.
And that's where that call ends. That's just the title of the episode. Maybe. Which is punishable in Oregon.
So you can just take any call and be like, no.
Making his false claim and also call it back.
My order right.
And I'm not exactly sure, but I think this is probably some sort of way.
I robbed for $8.
Okay, sir, 911 is...
So, this person calls back again.
To be in the Army Reserve. Just give from one night a week. 1 week in a month.
Help. After the tone, say help.
And before on the show about 911 call, officer drives there.
This is not on cheeseburger? No. Is this like, is this a harmful cheeseburger?
No.
That's fine, then how can I help?
Calls like this, and I'm not joking. There's likely some sort of a way to get out of it. Locking on with this whole nonsense.